my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to style ankle boots in 4 different ways with 4 different pairs. And all of these ankle boots are on trend and different kinds of shoes that you might already own in your closet. Ankle boot is a classic style for the winter. It's hard to get creative when it's so cold out. So we're styling 4 different ankle boots. The first one is in white ankle boots. The next one is kind of an edgier booty, so it has the track sole that's been really popular in a lot of booties. Next one, which has been popular for quite some time now, is a studded booty. They have this in the silver one like this. A lot of them are similar to this, or the gold like Chloe Susanna boot kind of look. And a statement booty, which this one is a red vinyl. We know that shine and vinyl is so in style. I hope you guys like the setup of this video. All my friends are back at school, so I have no one to help me film, so I just filmed it with a white backdrop. Let me know what you guys think. So let's start off with styling this edgy booty. So it has the track sole, a little bit of height, and I wanted to go kind of a different route with this and style it with a really girly blouse. It kind of also incorporates the trend, which is pairing navy and black together is kind of a thing right now. So this is this really gorgeous blouse from H&M, and it has this beautiful detail. It's completely sheer, so I just wore it with a nude lace bralette, and you can't even see it underneath. It looks really nice. I love the contrast of a really feminine top and some kind of edge. So if maybe like the edgy combat utilitarian boot is a little bit out of your comfort zone, then go ahead and pair it with one of your girly, more frilly blouses. Even a beautiful white springy blouse would be great to pull out now if you edge it out with some black shoes, and you can make it winter appropriate. Any kind of skinny jean would work. Because this is so chunky, I would recommend going with a tighter jean. And I paired it with this clutch, which is from Gap a long time ago, but I'll try and find something similar. But it's just a silver textured clutch. I thought this really needed some kind of clutch, not a crossbody bag, even maybe like one of those mini satchel bags that are really popular right now, the itty bitty mini bags that you just carry by hand. That would be cute. Next booty is this Forever 21 bright pair of red vinyl booties. It has the circle on the back, which is really a popular little detail going on. What I did is take a basic top, which is a white button-up, but this is a really oversized one. This was from my mom's closet actually. I paired it with that and the same black Topshop jeans. Just even a blue denim would look really pretty with this red. A tip for you guys, if you're short or just in general, you want to play with the proportions, because unless the booty is tight like a sock booty, then a wide leg pant or a trouser is usually not the best. Booty that has a little bit of room to it and is a little bit wider needs to be paired with something more like a skinny jean or a skinny pant. I absolutely love these face earrings. They're from Shein, but I've seen similar ones on mango.com, vergegirl.com, tons of places. And a micro trend that I'm noticing is going on is these kind of face elements. I've seen tons of fast fashion websites doing this face kind of earring, face shaped bracelet. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the idea of mixing kind of like abstract art into your jewelry. Because the outfit is just a white button up and black jeans, you need something to kind of balance out the funkiness with this and tie out the whole outfit. So that is why I like a funky earring. And I threw on this gold cuff from Banana Republic. It has like little hammered dots everywhere. I'll have a couple of my favorite options for cuffs down below, because this one's from a couple of seasons ago, but I love a good cuff. Next outfit is the most casual with this little studded booty. So many people have this. This one, it has silver hardware. So I just paired this with a really simple outfit, and I did 2 options for the bottoms. I put on this flyaway knit blazer. It's really long. It's not even like a blazer. It has lapels, but it's really a cardigan. If you see, I have these little hairbands on my wrist. My little trick to ruche up the sleeves without folding it, because by folding it you get that black ugly inner lining. So take a rubber band, put your rubber band in the middle of your arm, like I put it like right below my elbow, and I just kind of fold it and ruche it up like you normally would ruche it up, but something about the rubber band being there really helps it stay. And I threw on a white boyfriend t-shirt, and so my 2 options for styling this were wearing it with a pair of black leggings, yes, that casual, or a pair of boyfriend jeans. So I showed you how I style it with both, and I think a baggier jean with this is okay, because the boyfriend jean has such a tapered ankle. I have them on right now. and because it still shows a little bit of skin, because this is a shorter bootie, I think the proportions still work. I wanted to show you that you could pair it with even leggings, because for those college students that want to look cute, you know, the knit blazer cardigan looks really smart and put together, but you could literally just throw on leggings. And think about, instead of just wearing a knit cardigan that's a little bit more casual, this looks more styled, like you put way more effort in it. The last outfit, I have to admit the clips for this one were not so great. But we are styling these amazing white booties. They have a rusted gold circle on the back. They are faux leather on the front, but then kind of like an acrylic plastic heel, which I think is cute. I love the mix of the texture, and I love the square toe. Pair this with a pair of ankle flare jeans. But the great thing about a white bootie is that it doesn't have the clunky and heaviness of a black bootie, so you really can get away with wearing more kinds of pant shapes with it. And they're just really light wash, and they have this cool little ends from Abercrombie & Fitch. And on top, I wanted to keep the color palette very soft. I really love how all of these look together. I think that's really pretty, it's really soft, and so I did, instead of a black one, I did a gray. And this would look also cute with these earrings, but I paired it with a more minimalist earring. I honestly don't know where these are from. They might be from Zaffle.com, but they're just this two-tiered silver little earring. Because the bottom of your outfit is so light and soft, you want to kind of go with a lighter color on top. You guys, so that is my entire how to style ankle boots video. Also, if you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps, and leave a comment. Be sure to leave me some feedback. What was your favorite look? And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.